Hey there, welcome to my channel, everybody, on real home product reviews and do-it-yourself jobs. My goal here is to save y'all time and money, or at the very least, inspire you with some home renovation ideas and projects. Anyway, here we go. In this video, we are going to be making a headboard out of an old door. This is a 1920s door taken from a house that we moved from years ago. And as you can see, we have installed some cut down to size some pieces of old baseboard and trim, and then capped it with a 1x4 board on the top right there. Painted it white so everything looks, I think, really nice. We didn't make extra efforts to make it perfect. There was something for kind of keeping a vintage look, so those stains right there don't bother me, and you know, those perfect cuts didn't bother me too much. I wanted it to kind of have a vintage old beat up look. Please excuse the mess in the background, by the way. Holy cow. But anyway, this is what it looks like. We did not patch and paint everything just because some of those things are not in the line of sight. Now we got a 2x4, two of them on the back, and of course screwed down very securely in appropriate places so it doesn't move. And of course a little spike there to go directly into the drywall, securing it to the wall, but I'll talk more about that in just a second. We did not patch or paint, as I mentioned, below the visual line here. This is the bed that it's going to be going on and the wall that it's going to be going on. Feel free to attach those 2x4s to the bed frame itself as you put this up, but we opted not to because it was a little simpler to move and adjust. So here's that little spiky thing going into the drywall. As I mentioned, just use a hammer. If you're not comfortable with that, you can drill directly into the stud. Just find the studs obviously behind the wall, and you can use a little L bracket to secure everything down nice and firmly. So that's how that works. There we go, nice and secure, and we'll add a little bit of paint there to help kind of cover that up since it is slightly in the line of vision there. We'll let that dry, and voila. So hopefully that gives you some inspiration for turning an old door into a headboard. Really easy job, and hopefully this video has been helpful for you. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being with me.